running on gas now, the Cobra vaporizer, down to forklift truck carburetor. Running a lot smoother now, so hopefully we'll try it out in a few days time for the next trial. Also fitted are our twin rear brakes off a Honda Fireblade. We've got twin calipers on each rear wheel. So hopefully now plenty of stopping power on the fiddler brakes. That's our two improvements. So hopefully we'll see how it goes.